Morning, guys. Got some sleep in. Time to head home. Right now it's 4 a.m. Shuttle to the airport. Very comfy seats. In the airport. Flight delayed. Mama's home. Right outside working. And I think Scooper's upstairs. Babies should be down. But let's find out. Yep, they're down. Where's Scooper? Where's my boy? I guess he's downstairs with his dad. Feels good to be home. It was a long trip because everyone had to leave at 4. My flight's not until like 9, but everyone's flight was 7. There he is. Hi.
Hi, Scoops. Mommy's home.
I love you. What are you doing?
Helping Daddy.
You helping? You helping? I know. Good job. Taking my boy out. Leaving Kimmy. Say hey, Auntie. Hello. Hello. Go give her a hug. Go give her a hug.
You ready to eat? Ready to eat?
Scooper's eating his rice and shrimp. Lots of dim sum. Yeah, he's giving you. No, he's giving it to you. Yeah, welcome.
Mommy, you?
Okay, thank you. Birthday lunch.
Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Auntie. Okay, ready to cake? You want cake, sister? That's yours, look. See? Is that your cake? Give this to mommy. Give this to mommy. Go give this to my mommy. Hold it for you. Show mommy. Show mommy.
Oh, nice photo. Is it yummy? Scooper? Hey. All done? All done? More?
Hey, cheers. Your hair is so short. You like it? Yeah. You want it shorter?
Blackberry, blueberry.
It's easier.
He was pooping in the toilet.
Oh, good.
Caught it in time.
Okay, so I'm back home, and first things first is go take care of the babies, and then continue working on this project of ours. So you can see we have the post up, and then we have the headers there, and then we're going to we already cut this 7 degrees because our slope up there is 7 degrees. So once we cut off all these, we have to paint it. So that's what I did. So it's easier because when we put it up there, it's gonna be harder for me to get up there and paint. Just like these metal parts I have to paint, they all have to be black. So I have to slowly work my way through. I don't want to do it now because it's really hot and I don't want to get burnt like Brian. But I will get to it. So all those need to be painted as well. These are rafters and they are already cut, painted, all good to go. And once they're dried, we're gonna bring it up to there, attach it to the header right here, and connect to the ledger over there, and then we should be good to go. Then I'll come back and touch up all these paint or all these spots. You can see all Bryce's dusty hands all over it. Touch up. all that's touch up. Right? And then move on to the fun stuff, which is solar.
Wait a minute. There you go. I see your big belly though.
Delivered twins. You get a pizza belly. The metal is easier to paint with the roller.
Why don't you use a roller?
I'll come back. I mean,
Okay. We're gonna have to touch up at the very end.
second round is better because when you come back, it'll
Okay.
cover more.
Yeah, we have to touch up anyway. It's the wood that needs protecting. The metal's galvanized.
Where's my little roller?
Hot
I
out
feel
here.
like I'm gonna have to come back and redo all this
It's fine.
paint.
We have to anyway. All the touch up.
How about the back? Does the back show?
No. Well, maybe.
I don't know.
You can't see it from the bottom because the wood's blocking it.
We just put this on. I'm gonna drill it here and then make sure it's secured. And then come back and paint. Looks good. Everything's secured. I went to go feed baby for a moment, and then Brian screwed all those screws in, and now it's just touching up. Once we touch up, let it dry, and then we put on the solar panels. I do want to cover, but Brian doesn't really care to have it covered. We'll see.
Solar will cover it. I'll keep it tight.
Sure. Oh, this one's loose. Looking good. I have to touch up a few more areas, but I'll do it later because Brian's still working and I feel like he's gonna scuff up a lot more, so I'm gonna leave it there. Are we starting solar today?
Tonight, I got a meeting.
Okay. Prepping. Looks good. Oh, my boys. Hi. 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 Cooper, say hi. Ryan, say hi. Ryan, say hi, hi. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Chatterbox. How about you? Early morning, we are starting to bring these solar panels up. Me and Brian have to tag team and somehow get it from the ground to the scaffold to up here and then all the way up here. We got two already in, and it's gonna fill up this whole patio and down there as well. So now we have to move this all the way down here. It takes time, but good thing we have these scaffolds. Helps a lot. All right, the first aisle of panels, solar panels are on. And we just gotta finish over here and then over there as well and connect them and be free of the hefty bill that Brian wastes every single month, $800 a month. So I'll show you how these are connected, how they stay stable. You gotta come closer and take a look at where we'll be screwing these two panels together. If you stand up here, so if you come up, you can see over there. That's what it looks like. And this is the one you have to screw down. So let's do that. There you go. Looks good. A lot of shade already. Woo. While we're working downstairs, let's check up on my kids. See what they're up to. Hi. Hi. So we all know that Rain can't crawl. He just drags. Hi. Hi. And Sky is the crawler. See? Hi, boys. Hương lắm. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Hi, Sky. Hi, Rain. How are you? Thương lắm mấy đứa. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, I ordered some food. Lunchtime. For us to get some energy. We have lots and lots of toys for Scooper. Mama went crazy. Yes, she did. His birthday's coming up, so I'm gonna make it cute for him. House is still kind of messy, but we'll get to it. Healthy eats. Spring rolls, no noodles. All right, so installing the next row of solar panels. We have to install the rails first, so we're going to measure it with the string, make sure it's nice and straight. You can see it's hot pink, so you can see it. Usually they come in this color or like lime green for construction. So once it's straight, we're gonna drill in these little brackets here and then drill down the rail. And then put these solar panels on. Rails are in. Now we just gotta bolt it down. These little bolts, we slid them in here and line them up with this and then lift it and put it into this little bracket thingy. Gotta do it for all of them so that they're nice and secure. Okay, so the rails are in. We're gonna secure the bolts. Careful, hit your head. Let's see.
That one was already tight.
Hmm?
That one was already tightened.
Okay. Next one. Good thing we have the scaffold. So much work to be done.
That one's in. Let's go do the next row.
Wait.
Duck.
Okay.
Where's the bolts for these?
I have to extend it.
It's too short.
Yeah, I have to put an extension. Same as the other one.
Oh. Last one. Alright, now we gotta do the same thing we did earlier. Bring those solar panels up and then breather. So I have 45 minutes to get those solar panels all the way up here because I gotta feed baby. Brian's taking his precious time. It's super hot. Maybe angle it over there. Okay, never mind. He's got a camera stand.
Okay, so how do you?
It's already recording.
Okay, how do you want it? Angled?
Whatever you think.
Okay.
We just finished. Everything is up. I'm gonna connect it and move on to the next area. So those we have to cut off, and this we have to reroute because it was in the way of the solar panels. So we have to make a U. Moving on to the next part, the middle part, we have to cut the rail to length, and we already drew a line here, so let's make sure that we are geared up so we can be protected. Let's do this! Drinking buddy. Cheers. I love you.